Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of multi-vendor marketplace AliExpress importer for the Magento 2 platform. And in today's video tutorial, we will be showing you how the marketplace vendors or the sellers will now be able to import the products directly from the AliExpress and how they can make the products visible at their storefronts as their own products. And we'll also be showing you the backend configuration that is required for the same. The admin can also do the same, but now this particular plugin would allow basically the marketplace sellers to import the products directly from AliExpress itself. So we'll go ahead and we'll be showing you the web store front end first, wherein we'll be first showing you how to import products from the AliExpress store, and within which we need to have to authenticate the web store within which the products would be imported, or in other words, we need to just register our Magento store URL before importing the products from AliExpress store. After that, we just need to enter the credentials to access the web store by AliExpress. And lastly, I'll be showing you how the marketplace sellers would be able to edit imported products from AliExpress, and we'll also be showing you the other functions that are there within this particular plugin. So let me go ahead and let me take you to the web store front end first, and let me show you how we can import the products from the AliExpress itself. So right now I'm at the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace storefront right now, and from here what I'll be doing is I'll be logging into my seller account initially, and I'll be showing you what different configuration settings are there for the sellers before they can import the AliExpress products under their own store front. So let me tap the login button to log into my seller account initially. So I've logged into my marketplace seller account right now. As you can see on the left hand side, we have the marketplace dashboard and the marketplace block as well. So here under the submenu option, that is AliExpress import settings, we can edit the settings and update the given configurations as required. So let's go through each of these one by one. So the very first option that we have here is to install the extension itself, and under the heading install AliExpress Chrome extension, below that we have this particular link. Tapping on the link would redirect us to the Google Chrome extensions, wherein we need to install the AliExpress Chrome extension or the product importer extension, and it is a must for the proper efficient working of the AliExpress product importer. So let me open this particular link in another window. So here I'm at the Chrome web store right now, and I have this Magento 2 marketplace AliExpress product importer extension. So I need to add this to my Google Chrome browser. So to do that, I just need to tap on the add to Chrome button here, and then on the prompt I need to tap the add extension button, and in a few seconds this particular plugin would be added to the Google Chrome extensions, and would be available to the right of the address bar within your Google Chrome browser. So you can see that the Magento 2 importer has been added to the Chrome, and now let me close this out. So let me take you back to the marketplace AliExpress settings for the sellers. So we have installed the extension. Now we need to enter the username and the token. So basically you can add your username and the password as so basically the seller can enter the username here, and usually this field is pre-filled as the seller adds the username while creating his own account. So at the time of creating the account, the name that the seller uses, that is the username. And for the token, every seller has a specific token, and this field is also auto-filled basically, and the seller can easily change the token by tapping on the update button, as you can see here just below that. And after that, the seller must tap and save on the configuration buttons. So this was about the username and the token and how to set them up. They basically are auto-filled, and you can generate new tokens as per your own requirement there. Then we have the default quantity. So here the admin, here the sellers would have to enter some details that would be helpful at the time of importing the products from AliExpress into the Magento 2 marketplace web store. So here we have the default quantity. So the seller needs to add the default quantity for the products that are being imported from AliExpress into the Magento 2 web store. Similarly, the seller would be able to set the default values for each of the other options. So for the weight, he can set the weight of the products that would be imported. Similarly, he can select the attribute set ID that would be assigned to the products that have been imported, that would be imported. Similarly, he can also set up the text class for the imported products, the default website where the products would be available, default category where the AliExpress products would be saved. So from here you can add your own what we say as the categories as well by tapping the drop down, and here you can just scroll between the different categories that are available. So we have created NP AliExpress products, so that's already selected. Let me tap down, done. Then we have product as active. So basically, if the seller selects active for this, or the yes for this, then the status of the products would be active and would be visible at the storefront. So this is the basic configuration for the AliExpress product importer. You have installed the extension within your Google Chrome, set up your username, password, set the default values for the quantity, price, weight, attribute set ID, text class, the default website and the category, and made the products as active for the. So these are basically the default settings or the options for the products that would be imported from AliExpress into your Magento 2 web store. And lastly, we just need to tap on the save settings button here. So I've saved the settings successfully. So now let me show you how we can import a vendor, how a vendor would be able to import the products after setting up the settings here. So we need to navigate to the AliExpress website, that is aliexpress.com, and from here we can navigate to any of the categories that are there, or we can go to the product pages as well. So let's go and let's tap on the consumer electronics, and let's go to this particular category first. I'll also be taking you to the product pages as well. So right now you can see that we are on the electronics category here. So basically alright, these are the products basically displayed for this particular category. So let me go ahead and let me go to iPhones. So right now I'm under the all categories, cell phone and telecommunication. Under that I'm at the iPhones category right now. So here you can see, as soon as I hover my mouse over any of the products that are visible, a blue icon on the top right hand corner appears that has a arrow in it. Now to import the products, what I need to do is, as soon as I'll tap on this particular importer icon, I need to authenticate my store's URL wherein the products would be imported. So let me tap here on the import button first. So we need to enter our store URL. So let me put that up. So I've added my store URL. Now let me tap on the next button. So after tapping the next button, now the vendor needs to enter the username and token. So we can get that from here under the marketplace AliExpress product settings. So here's the username for this particular seller, and this is the token for the same. And now let me tap the submit button. So you can see that we have authenticated the store successfully. Now we are good to go for importing the products. So now let me tap here on the click to import button, and you can see that the store has been authenticated, product details have been fetched. So now here you can edit this particular product's name, price, meta tags and the other information that is there. You also have the images of the products. If you want to remove any of them, you can tap on the cross button there, and you can see that the variations are as well visible, and new attribute bundle can also be created as a swatch by tapping this particular checkbox here, and we have the created attributes for the color basically. Now let's do one thing now, and let's tap the submit button to import this particular microdata Apple A6 iPhone 5 unlocked into the Magento 2 store backend, as well as under the seller's account as well. So here you can see that right now product variations are being imported, so it can take a few seconds to a few minutes as well. So you saw that the product reviews also were imported there. So now let me go back and let me show you where this particular product is. So I'll just go back to the marketplace AliExpress section here for the vendor. Then we'll navigate to my product list, and under the my product list we'll find this particular product that we have just imported from the AliExpress into the vendor storefront. So here you can see the marketplace product list, and here's the product that we have just imported, and that's the microdata Apple A6 iPhone 5 unlocked. So it's basically this phone that we had imported. It was a configurable product having different colors. So this one is the main product that you can see here, which has the configurable type, and these are the 6 color types that we have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So I'll just tap here on this particular edit button that we have to edit the actual product that we have just imported. So now we are on the edit product page right now. So here you can see the product name. Apart from that, you can see the description as well that has been imported from the AliExpress itself. You can see the images that were there. Every description part has been basically imported here. So after that, let's go to the other section. The SKU has been imported, the weight of the product, meta title, meta keywords, meta description has been imported. The product multiple images have also been imported, as you can see here, and the current variations of this particular product, as you can see under the edit configurations, we have all of the variations of this particular product. So they have also been what we say as imported. Now let me show you how this product gets visible at the storefront. So for that, I'll open the MP AliExpress product section, and here you can also change the category as per your own requirement there after you basically imported this product. So I'll just go to this section here. So here you can see the same product, this one iPhone 5, and here we are on the iPhone 5 microdata, right? So let me tap and let me see how this is, how does it appear to the customers at the storefront. So when anyone visits this particular product, he can see the image on the left and the product name, the options as well. Here you can see that we have bundle options to choose, then we have the color options as well, then the quantity. Here we have the product images, sold by the seller's name, the details of the product. As you can see, complete details are visible here. Then we can also see that the reviews for the same are also basically imported. So I'll show you that as well. And let me take you to the AliExpress section once again. So that was how we can import the products from the category page. You can also go to the product page directly, and you'll have this importer icon here, and you can start importing the product. Otherwise, you can also do one thing. You can directly, for example, you have the product's name, you can directly type it up within the search bar, tab the search, and when the product gets displayed, then you can directly import it using this particular icon. That's the AliExpress importer icon here, as per your requirement. So we have done the import from the categories, from the product page, and after searching the products as well. So now let me take you back. Actually, this product didn't have any customer reviews at the AliExpress end as well. So that's why on the product page, as I showed you here on the product page as well, we don't have any reviews right now. But if there were any reviews, they would have been displayed there. So now let me show you how the imported AliExpress products get visible in the admin backend panel as well, and thereafter I'll be showing you the configuration settings for the same from the admin panel. So now let's go to the admin backend panel. So I'll just tap on the sign in button to log into my admin backend panel for the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace store. So here we are on the dashboard, and to configure the model initially, the admin needs to navigate through stores, then configuration. So on the configuration page under the web code block, we have this MP AliExpress product import submenu option. Just tap that up to bring the configuration settings for the marketplace AliExpress product importer. So here we are on the general configuration section. So the admin can allow the seller product import from the AliExpress. So for that, the admin needs to choose this option as a yes. Otherwise, to not allow the sellers to import the AliExpress products, the admin can choose a no. So now let's go to the catalog and then product section to check the imported products from AliExpress which have been imported by the various marketplace sellers. So here I'm at the product section, and I've typed in Apple, the product name, the product actual product that we had imported, and here you can see that the admin is also able to see the product from the admin backend panel, and the admin can also tap on the edit link here under the actions column to make changes within that particular product as well. So here we are on the edit product page under the admin backend panel. So you can see that the admin can also see the different values for this particular product, and the admin can see the product seller, the seller whose product this is, and can see the configurations of this particular product as well. And the admin can also tap here on the content section to see the content or the description of the product itself, and you can scroll down to check the various descriptive sections for this particular product. And apart from that, you can also see the associated products for this particular product. So that was much about the multi-vendor marketplace AliExpress importer for the Magento 2 platform, and I hope it helped you out. If you have any questions or queries regarding this particular product, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.